Buenas. Remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bienvenido and welcome back to another video, another vlog. It's almost Christmas and it is time to refill my nails, and I'm obviously gonna pick a very nice festive color, which is red. I always like to go with red, so we're gonna do that. If you're not yet subscribed, I would advise you to hit the subscribe button and also notification bell so you can be notified when I drop new content. Anyways, I'm gonna head now to the train station and I'll see you guys at my nail stylist's salon. Bye.
Mi corazoncito. Ay, mi amorcito. Mi amorcito, mi amorcito. Ay, mi toki.
Sí, ahora sí está feliz. Mira.
Así, Miki.
Ahora.
Vas a poner para YouTube.
Ah.
Mi corazoncito. ¿No me quiere? Llámalo a ver.
Toski.
Toski. Esa cosita de hermoso.
Toski.
I want one.
Sí, ahora sí te gusta. Ese perro tan extraño. A mí no te comprendí. Él tiene miedo. Mira su rabo.
Él está guajito y muy rabo.
Su rabo de tepa.
Y una boca que tiene.
Sí.
Barking at everybody. Mira, ay, mira.
I'm trying to find it still.
No, I was watching to see if the camera was good. I'm moving the camera. My nail tech is having like a heart attack.
Oh, look how pretty. Let me show you. Look how pretty. Let me put it to focus. Oh, so pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the bus stop because it's time to go home. Guys, look, it's like not even 8:30 and look at this. It's like dark. But we gotta do what we gotta do. I'm gonna head home and I'll check in with you guys in a while. And it is, look how gorgeous this is. Look how gorgeous. And now it's wine time con mi amiga, Michelin. Like how my mother was called you, Michelin. So I have a gift. Actually, you need to record me, mommy. Ooh, can I open it?
Yes, you can.
Okay, so this was
something nice for you.
Start talking from the beginning again.
Oh, it's nothing big, but I thought since you're on your weight loss journey, this could be something nice for you to have some confidence in.
I'm excited.
Okay.
Okay, let's do this.
Oh Lord, I'm so sorry.
No, I'm sorry.
Wrapped.
I have this string.
Hardcore wrapped.
That means to say, when Santa have it on display, nothing
Right?
will happen to this.
Oh Lord, you probably need a scissors.
No, mommy.
You sure? Okay, come true.
I feel like a kid.
Right?
For Christmas. I should have waited actually and open it
No, it's fine.
tomorrow.
You can wrap it and open it again tomorrow.
Okay. I'm loving the color. Oh my God. Oh. Where is the... Okay. Oh my God. What? I gonna be hot, you? Ooh, wow. Mommy, I'm wearing this for Christmas.
Right?
I'm gonna wear... And I have the perfect boots for them.
Yes.
I have like thigh-high boots.
Yes. Wait, show it. Turn it around.
Look
Yeah.
at this. This is the front.
That's the front, girl.
Do she? You see
That's
how she
the
has...
front.
Does you see what she's
That's
gonna have
the
me?
front.
That's the front. Love it. Thank you, mommy.
And wait, the extra detail at the
The
bottom.
side.
The
I
side
saw
split.
And that means it's gonna show my
Yeah.
boobs. Gracias, mommy.
You're welcome.
So gorgeous. I cannot wait.
Yes.
Love it.
You're welcome.
Alrighty.
Oh, God.
So
Sorry.
it's okay.
When you drink too much.
I'm fine. Are you fine?
Yeah.
So it is come the end of the vlog.
Wait, we didn't do a guava berry shot.
Oh, let's do it.
Okay, wait, we have
Mommy,
to
my
do a guava
time is
berry
coming. What time it is?
shot.
Wait, let me see what time it is. It's gonna be the shot glasses for the night. Let's do this. 1, 2, and... Wow. Remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.